Hi, I'm Shiloh, here to guide you through the HousePoint app. This app is designed to connect you to your child's achievements and your school community. Let's dive in. After installing the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, simply open the app and add your student using the access instructions you receive via email or letter from your student's school. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. You can see an overview of your child's points entries here. Each entry includes the date, activity, and points awarded. It's a great way to keep track of your child's accomplishments. If you have 2 or more students at the school, you can click this button at the top right of the landing page to add them using the codes designated for them. Want to know how your child's house is performing? Let's look at the leaderboard. Here you can see the current standings of each house. It's a fun way to encourage a little friendly competition. As well, if your child's school uses the original RCA houses, you can see the global leaderboard to see how each house is doing worldwide. Look at how many points that is. Now, let's check out the account settings. This is where you can manage your profile and set up notifications. You can update your contact information, change your password, and more. And don't forget to enable notifications to stay updated on your child's progress in school events. All right, that's a quick tutorial for the HousePoint app. It is a simple yet powerful tool to keep you engaged with your child's journey. Thank you for joining us.